Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got new parts come to fit today, which you've obviously already seen the title of the video. We've got the new tree and rock sliders arrived the other day, so we're gonna get those fitted. We'll remove the side steps off here because they've gone all rusty and not greatest, and then get these bad boys on, nice new shiny side steps, rock sliders, sorry. These ones are galvanised and they've been powder coated. They've got a slightest bit of damage when they've got by the courier, but it is what it is. Couriers these days are not the greatest. Boxes always come in smashed and everything, but definitely know it's galvanised anyway. So we'll put some touch-up paint on that once we've got it on. But yeah, it shouldn't be too much of a difficult job. It should make the side of the truck look a bit cooler as well. So we'll start getting these apart and see how we do. I believe you have to remove these little side trim bits as well. So we'll get all that off, obviously show you how we do it. I think it's only a few bolts here and there, so it shouldn't be too much of a difficult job. And then get that lined up and see how it fits. Got some assistance doing the side steps by the mats. All we're going to do is take these side bits off first. I've undone this side of the step, but these bolts on this side for the step is up in here are solid and I can't get to them, so I'm going to take these off and I'll try to take them off, or just cut them off with a disc cutter if I can. Davy's just taking the little side bits off now.
I'm just having a nap.
As usual.
You playing? Action.
Right, we've got the side bits off. That just had some little bolts. Was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little
Allen key.
bits. I mean, probably not the same on everyone's, but maybe. Got them off, so the sides got off. Now we've just taken the other 2 bolts out of there. So you've got 2 there on this upright bar, 2 on this one, and then 1 on each support. So now that one comes out like that.
Yay! Beef.
These come off. Sounds like a jet. So I'm just going to tidy up there a bit, give it a little paint under the bit where we're going to cover up, and then we can line up the new one and see how it looks.
Do some of the rusty bits.
Yeah, see if we have to trim that arch off there or not.
It's exceeding the thingy a bit now, but we'll see when we get the bars on.
Right, so that's it all off, obviously. We've wire brushed and just touching up the rusty looking bits and that, and just tidying it up best we can at the minute with a bit of black paint. I haven't got any proper hammerite, but it'll do for now. At some point I want to properly do underneath and sort it all out, but so yeah, we're just touching up the bits we're not going to be able to get to. Wire brushed them first, obviously, to clean them up, and then once Darby's finished up, we'll just get the side step lined up and see what it looks like and how it attaches. So I've sort of got it on, which has cleaned it up. There's a bolt at the front that hooks onto there, but on the back you've got the 2 rear brackets, so I've had to drill through the frame of the truck, and Darby's just trying to get that hooked up in there now. So there'll be 2 bolts in each, we have to drill the holes through the frame bit here so you can bolt it on. So just trying to do that up now, and then we'll get it lined up when we tighten it up.
I've been in and out the streets trying to get some more. That money, money. My only stress reliever is kicking in with my wall. Kicking in with my wall. Living in a simple city trying to trap my soul. Trying to figure out where it is I need to go. Ain't no one around here with the hand out. No, I ain't looking for no handout. See, I'm in it on my own. Nobody can stop me now. Gotta make it to the top. Nobody can slow me down.
Right, so we've run out of daylight again.
It's darkness.
Like normal. Right, so we finished the passenger side, and yesterday, and got straight on with the driver's side because we were running out of daylight. And obviously, by the time we had finished it, we had run out of daylight. So we're doing an update now of what it looks like. So we'll do a little look around, and then that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share to your friends, and keep tuned for the next one.